My name's Ian Bottom, I'm Head of Fleet Operations at Ubico. Ubico provide frontline operations for 8 partner councils, which include waste and recycling, grounds maintenance, parks and open spaces, and street cleaning, amongst other things. Our key drivers are around value for money, reliability, prioritising our emissions, and we look for reliable partners to help us provide that, and Allison Transmissions is one of those current partners. One of the features we appreciate about the Allison transmissions, besides its robustness and its reliability, is the FuelSense 2 technology. It's not just slick gear changes that saves on fuel, but also the fact that it automatically slips into neutral on stop, which is a great emission saver for us and our partner councils.
My name is Alexander Walsh, and I am Fleet Maintenance and Workshop Manager at Ubico. So with Stroud in Gloucestershire, it's one of our most difficult areas. The hills are very, very steep, and these trucks are put under great pressure when they're going up the hills, but especially down the hills for the safety aspect. The retarder system on these vehicles, this assists the drivers through safety, through fuel consumption, and what it does is basically it reduces the amount of use that you're using with the foot brake. And with the Allison transmission and the retarder system, this just is an added benefit. Less braking is effectively saving more fuel. So it's a good combination between the vehicle, engine, and also the transmission. The other benefit with regards to the Allison transmission is obviously we're saving a lot of money on parts, but also it affects the emissions. So it's a reduction in emissions, which is a benefit for Ubico because that's part of our remit for our carbon footprint. So it's an all-round system that's helping us in many aspects.
I'm Kevin Atwood, Fleet Technical Manager at Ubico. I'm responsible for vehicle procurement and associated fleet management systems such as maintenance software, fuel software. Allison transmissions provide a solution for our everyday need. FuelSense 2 has been very good for our business because of the features. The Stroud area being very hilly, the Allison transmission comes into its own with good acceleration for going uphill, and then we fit the retarders as standard for hill descent, which aids fuel economy and brake wear. We've seen significant savings.
Brilliant to use, easy to use. Takes the distraction of a gearbox away, slows by itself ever so gently too. Perfect gearbox. Nice and calm, helps the driver relax. Fuel efficient driving, it assists massively with it, massively. So the need to refill the tank every day is now gone.